Okay, so for this question, what we need to find is the final angular velocity and the final speed of the cable when it is at rest. So in order to do this, we need to use this equation. Fs is equal to 9.0 m times 2.0 meters, and this is equal to 18 joules, and we need this in order to figure out the angular velocity and the speed of the cable. So we now need to use this. We have I equals 1/2 mr squared, which is equal to 1/2 50 kilograms times 0.60 meters squared. And this is equal to 0.090 kilograms times meters squared. So now we have to use this and this to find what the question is asking for. So we have 18 joules, and we need to set that equal to 1/2 0.090 squared, W squared. And W is equal to 20 radians per second. So what we did here is we took this equation and we solved for W. So we got that W was 20 radians per second, and this is the angular velocity. So we were able to find the first part of this question. So the next part is to find the speed. Oops. Well, I don't know what I did, but the next part is to find the speed of the cable. So let's go. We can solve it here. So for this, we need V tangent is equal to RW. So this is equal to 0.60 meters times 20 radians per second. And this is equal to 1.2 meters per second. So this is the final speed of the cable. So we were able to solve both of the questions here.